Hi everyone, the Home Service Pro here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out a supply line on a toilet. We're going to switch over from metal to braided. Let's get right after it. So as you can see, they've got a metal style supply line on this toilet. We're going to switch it out for a braided. The braided supply lines are less likely to leak than the metal supply lines, and this one is leaking onto the floor. So we currently have the water shut off because it has been leaking. So all we should need to change that out is a crescent wrench. So you're going to make sure your water is shut off at your supply line here. Then you're going to come in here and you're going to get on the supply line nut, which is here. And you're going to loosen the supply line up. Once you get that to where it's only hand tight, you can go ahead and loosen this nut by hand. You will get a little bit of water on the floor. Then we're going to come up here to the tank and we're going to loosen the tank nut. Once the tank nut is completely loose, it'll actually drop down and slide down the supply line. And this should only require you to use your hands. It should only be hand tight. So there we go. We're going to go ahead and pull the supply line out away from the toilet. And there's that water I was talking about. We're just going to lift this off. And there you go. The old supply line is now disconnected. Now we're going to bring in the braided supply line. We're going to hook it up to the toilet. Again, you're just going to tighten this up, hand tight. Once that's hand tight, this one you can see it's much longer. And because it's a lot longer, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to make a loop in this supply line. You're going to take it and twist it around just like this, and then attach it to the stop. And you're going to tighten this down by hand. Once you get that tightened by hand, we go ahead and use the wrench and just snug it up. There we go. Now that that's on there, we go ahead and turn that water back on. And that's all there is to it. The supply line is now replaced, not leaking, and working the way that it should. There you go, guys. We replaced that toilet supply line. It's not leaking. It looks good. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow. Have a great day, and you got this. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one.